during Neon Dawn, I did a 50 alpha pack opening, and I had a friend join me to review it. He tried to make it a little more enjoyable, but I pulled a few good things, I think. Wasn't the greatest, but you can watch to see what else I got. Let's go! Oh, epic! Come on! Come on! Jesus Christ, what is that? That's horrendous. What is that? So there's 4 different people that can have like stuff from this pack. There's Bandit, Gridlock, Pulse, and some other person on the attacker, Habana. So those 4 people, they have either like their secondaries or their main weapons with like skins, and then they have like uniforms and headgears that you can get. So you can get 4 different uniforms, 4 different headgears, and then 4 different gun skins. But I have black ice for 2 of the gun skins, so I really don't want to get those. And then there's like charms, like 5 charms, so that sucks. But yeah.
Interesting.
Oh my god, that was disturbing.
Okay. Let's go. That's good.
Of course it's disturbing.
I like it. Oh, let's go. Hope this is recording then. It does look better. I just need the headgear so I don't have this weird ski goggle thing going on. Alright. So we got ear sports packs, and then I'm just Alright, it's happening now. We can't back out. Wanna do the esports pack first, or just alpha packs?
Esports.
Alright, I have most of the uniforms. I need like
Boo.
Aww.
Wait, you already have that?
No.
Have that?
No, it's just a charm. I didn't want charms. I already had this. How can you get duplicates? That's garbage. How do you get duplicates from esports packs?
Black ice.
It's freaking gun. If it's the freaking MP5, I'm gonna be sad. Okay, that's better. That's better.
That's actually kind of cool.
I don't have a skin for that yet. I don't think. That's good. That's good. That's good. So we got this. That's about it. I have the coffee stain legendary skin for that, but I like this better.
Coffee stain?
Yeah. Here, I'll show you. How do I?
Oh, I see that. The heck?
It's it's
Hit
kind
Alt. Dummy.
of alt. Yeah, I don't know. It looks kind of clean, but there's not that much to it. Yeah, okay. Alright, 50 packs.
First pack, black ice.
Is it? No. Sad common. It kind of fits the headgear that I have. I don't know.
Is that a whole uniform or is that the
No,
helmet
that was
also?
just the uniform. I had that helmet.
Black ice.
Let's go, baby!
Called it.
It's better for
However,
both
I'm
of
going
them.
to say black ice on all the epics, so I don't know if that counts.
I don't know. I need some good headgears and stuff also. I'm surprised surprised I got a black ice on the second one though. Oh, that actually doesn't look that bad. That kind of fits with the headgear that I have. I'm surprised. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Yeah, but I have the wonderful elite skin for Tachanka though.
Oh yeah, I forget you bought that.
It was worth. I don't have any toy skins. I have the legendary one for this though, so you know that's
Oh yeah, I have
kind
the
of worthless.
no, I have the P12 or whatever Bandit's pistol is.
I think I just have like ice for that one. I need some black ice pistols, preferably the revolver. I already have a better uniform for Montang. Yeah, more reno. Okay. You're still thinking of black ice? Which black ice specifically? Which one?
I don't know.
Like the R4C?
Let's see. No, I have that.
No, I don't
have
have that.
Yeah, no, it sucks to be you.
Damn it! I already have one of these stupid ducks. What the hell is this?
Rubber ducky.
I'm gonna exit out part of the way through and see how many. These don't help me at all. At least I'm getting everything, so then when I get a duplicate, I can just have. Oh, that's actually sick. Looks cool.
I'd rather have black ice.
Okay, shut up, Zach. I have like every black ice shotgun that's terrible.
Yeah, that's tough.
Wow.
Even better.
Wow, space. That's cool. I don't have black ice for this. I could buy the black ice in the shop. Yeah, more renown.
You're gonna need enough to have like you're gonna make up enough back just to buy another whole set.
No, I'm not gonna. Well, I could buy a few, but not like a ton of them. It's more worth your money if you buy 50 instead of like 1 or 5 or whatever. Because it's actually like less bright. Okay, that looks terrible. I'm gonna see. 35. Okay. It doesn't look terrible. But I also have the freaking suit for this man, so. Here. It's from the Golden Gun thing where. You look at that. Look at how cool it's all fancy looking. He looks like a very special dude. I don't know. Doesn't look that bad. Why are these uncommons looking better than rares and some epics that I get? I don't know, man. I'm gonna look back at this so I know what weapons I need to put all this stuff on. Yeah, I got piece of crap again. Thing's stupid. I'd rather have the headgear, the rest of the set that goes with that. Okay, so, what? Like, I don't think I have a headgear for this man yet, but that doesn't look any better than whatever the original is. Oh, we're on a uncommon. Yes, ice! Let's go! Look at that. I got ice.
No, just yeah, no.
Oh, uncommon again.
Have you gotten a single legendary?
Not so far. I've gotten like 3 epics though, and one of them was a black ice, so decent odds. I hope I get one legendary at least. That'd suck. Oh, I have
Ooh,
had
another
one.
toy gun.
I didn't know I had one. Damn, this is not getting any better. Doesn't look terrible, but I do have a nice red and white skin that I got, so epic. See,
What the heck?
what? Why do they put so many freaking charms into the game?
What do you mean?
Who okays like all this stuff that they put in the game? It's like, yes, people would want this. Alright, how many down do you think we're gonna get before it gives me a legendary?
6 more.
6 more. That's pretty nice. It almost looks better than the legendary skin I have for this skin. But
It's very simple. Kind of nice.
how many more? 23. Just, you said 6 more, and that was 5. This is now 4 after this one. Wow. It's an
So cool.
Air Force little tag thing. Just for getting rares, like, oh yeah. Wow. Yeah, I'm getting all the charms. I would rather have duplicates though, you know. That's very colorful.
It was very colorful.
Come on, R4C, cause nope. Alrighty, that's cool. I guess. I mean, the gold's nice. It looks clean-ish. This what? How many more you think? 1 or 2 more until legendary.
I don't remember.
Wow, it's a map on a Deagle. This one. Nope. Oh, I'm getting all the toys, gun skins. I should have done a pack opening before this. Get all the toys out of the way. This one is legendary. No, it's not.
Most
God
common.
dang it, man. One legendary. Nope. Oh, I've had that before. That's cool. How many more? 15. Oh, jeez. Come on. One legendary. What? It's just tan with the little brown splotches. I don't understand. No, okay. Well, you know, it's a decent color, but garbage, you know? I have the elf skin hat for that. Okay, I'm getting a lot of epics, which is good. I still need one legendary at least.
Ooh, that sounds cool.
It's wood. Very, very cool. You know, this came out at the same time as Black Ice. I could have had Black Ice instead. Even though I don't like Buck that much, you know. Come on, man. Okay. 20,000. Okay, how many more? 11.
You really,
Jeebies!
you have really not gotten a single legendary in
Jesus
50 alpha
Christ.
packs.
I don't know, man. You know. Oh. Is this 9 more after this? This is 10. That's pretty poop, man. I don't know. Oh. Come on. Tachanka gods, please. Bless me. No. I mean, it's not terrible. I might actually use that, but it's not a legendary. The hell is different? It's just, oh wow, it's dark camo. Wow, that's cool. 6 more. Come on. Oh,
Tough.
let's go. Oh man.
How many toy skins have you gotten? 4? 3?
Like 3 or 4, yeah. Some of them are duplicates though.
Well, yeah.
This is 5. Doesn't look terrible. This is 4. Epic. I've gotten a lot of epics. I'm not complaining. But I'd like
Yeah.
at least one legendary game. You know, it doesn't look terrible. Might actually use it. Final 3. Oh. No. That actually looks cool. I think I have a freaking Cole. I haven't gotten a single legendary.
Hmm?
I haven't gotten a single legendary. I have 2 left.
Garbage.
Please give me a legendary, Cole. Am I gonna have a legendary, you think? I
No,
have
this
2
is
more.
gonna be a common.
Come.
Called it.
Uncommon, bitches. Get
Okay,
wrecked.
That's the
Okay,
same
okay.
thing.
I need 1. Come on, Cole. Come on. Just.
I'll give you a rare. You get a rare
Yeah,
this
that's
next
what
one.
I'm thinking, rare.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
bitches.
dang.
Hey, that's pretty
USSR
good.
too. That's perfect.
Hold on. Should I
That's
buy
tough.
more? What can
Yep,
I
I
buy?
think you need at least 5 more.
I can't
Oh.
buy 5.
You buy like 3 or
No.
4 or something. One more. Lucky 1.
Just 1.
Just
I can
one.
buy like 2 more after
Nope,
that.
Nah,
just
you
one.
just need one.
Just one.
You just need
Just
one right here.
Just 1.
Just
Yep.
one.
Epic.
God, fucking
Yeah, rare. Let's
Jesus.
go.
Oh yeah. What is that?
The shotgun shells stand
No.
out so much on that.
His beefy pockets and pocket. Yeah. Shotgun shells. It's gloves. Hmm. 1 more or 2 more?
Yeah, you need 2 more. I'm sorry.
Ashes. R4C.
2 more.
2 more. 2 more.
Why? Twitch isn't good.
I
Alright.
already have
Let's go.
Twitches.
Recoil.
Yeah, her gun is ass.
Yes.
Epic.
Epic.
Yeah, it's bad.
Oh,
Punk, yes! That's epic.
That's even better.
it looks like.
Honestly, that is better than some of the epic skins I've seen. So
I don't know.
I'd-
Yeah,
I'd
some of
take
the
that.
uncommons are better than rares and epics.
Second pack.
You're not a very lucky guy.
Yeah, you really
My f-
aren't.
He's my favorite Asian.
Yeah, he is.
He-
He's mine also.
he's-
Actually, no, I
he's-
like Abana better.
I like
One-
Legion better,
1
but
more?
that one's good too. Nah,
I think.
you're not gonna get a legendary on that one.
Bucky, I'm gonna prove you wrong.
Do it. You won't.
Quick!
Epic.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my
That's
gosh,
tough.
dude. How many comments did you get
Oh,
in this entire thing? Eden.
like a lot.
Like a 18-to-1 ratio of
Eight.
epics.
Jeez, man.
No, I got a few like epics though, like at least. I got
That's
maybe
tough.
like 6
Everyone's favorite
epics.
pea shooter gun.
Yep.
Oh man, you know I can at least get a legendary in this. You know, it's right there. Ah! I ran out of bullets.
You hit a
Oh
blunt.
no.